Well, hello out there in internet land. We are going to go ahead and quickly solve just a few for the missing value on a few of these proportions. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see, there's 3 examples we'll run through quite quickly. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, as you know, one way to check to make sure that ratios are equivalent, or that these are actually proportionate, is to cross multiply. So we're going to go ahead and use that method. We're going to multiply the 6 with the x. That's going to give us 6x, correct? So we'll go ahead and write 6x right here. All right, pardon the blurriness of the camera. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply, cross multiply 9 times 10, and of course you know that's going to be 90. All right, you look at your problem where you are now, it looks just like an equation. 6x equals 90. So we're going to move from there. We're going to go ahead and divide. You know that's the opposite of 6x. Divide by 6 on each side. And of course we come out with x equaling 15. Was that easy, or was it easy? Of course it was easy. Let's go ahead and just pause right there and move to the next one. Alright, so moving on, we're going to solve this one just the exact same way through cross multiplication. It doesn't matter which one we do first, so let's just go ahead and do it the same way we did this one. 3 times 28, 3 times 8 gives us what? It gives us 24, right? Bring down our equal sign, and then 4 times x is going to give us 4x. Alright, quite quickly we're going to know that once you divide 24 by 4, x is going to equal what? You got it, 6. Okay, easy so far? Pretty easy so far. Let's go ahead and do this last one, then we're going to get a little bit tougher, but not too tough. Not too tough at all. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it the same way we did before. Cross multiply 8 times n. 8 times n gives us 8n, right? Bring our equal sign down, and then 10 times 10 is going to give us 100. 100. All right, we're going to quickly figure out what 100 divided by 8 is. And we know that's about 12.5, if I'm not mistaken. Go ahead and check that for me. Make sure I'm on my P's and Q's this morning. All right, and that is how you solve proportions with a missing value. But sometimes you have to use distributive property. So let's go ahead and do just a couple of those just to show you how that's going to look for you. Okay, so let's try that out. Let's see. Let's try this one. We'll say 3 to 5 is equal to y plus 1 over r to 9. Okay, it's a 9. My camera's a little blurry. Alright, so we're going to do it the exact same way. We're going to cross multiply, but this time, since you see this little expression up here, we're going to treat it just like distributive property. Alright, if you can do that in your head, go ahead and do it. But if you have to write just a little bit above how it'll look, so it'll look like 5 times y plus 1. Right? You know that. So you'll multiply 5 times y gives you 5y. Then you'll multiply 5 times 1. It'll give you 5. Then you'll give your equal sign, right? And then we'll just cross multiply the next one, which is 27. Okay. Fair enough so far. All right, we're going to solve it like any other two-step equation. We're going to take care of our constant first. We're going to subtract 5 from each side. Okay, once we've done that, we've got 22 bring down our equal sign, bring down our 5y. Our next step, of course, is to divide by 5. So let's go ahead and do that. 22 divided by 5 is going to give us about 4.4, and that is your answer. I think we should try one more of those just to solidify your knowledge, just to give you a little bit more practice. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Let's say x plus 3, right, over 4 equal to 7 over 8. Okay, x plus 3 over 4 equal to 7 over 8. We're going to cross multiply. 4 times 7 gives us 28. Okay, bring down our equal sign. Now let's do our distributive property. 8 times x. 8 times x gives us 8x. 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. Alright, so we've got our same simple little two-step equation right here. So let's go ahead and solve it. No issue, no hill for a stepper. Alright, we're going to take care of our constant first. Alright, you know what to do. That cancels, minus 24. Alright, we're left with 4 equals 8x. Alright, one final step, and that is to undo this coefficient by dividing 8 to each side. 4 divided by 8 we know is 0.5 or 1/2. Bring our x down, and we've got our solutions right there. Okay, well, hopefully you found that easy. Look out for more videos, hopefully not as blurry, but just as helpful. All right, keep on loving, keep on learning, keep on learning. All right, until next time.